This is Ron Moody, coming at you live today on Friday the 13th. I've been asked to come and talk to you a little bit about the FCAT and some thoughts and share a little bit of information that I've noticed. Most of you will know that I teach intensive math. Most of the students I have are level 1s. I have a 6th grade class, 3 7th grade classes, and an 8th grade class. Every year I do a little experiment with my students because I start trying to teach test-taking strategies about a month before the FCAT. The students have learned the material, but then do they know how to take a test? The first thing that I do is I prepare a test and I give them a 30-minute time frame to take it. The test is about 16 questions long. What I do for the first question is make the question very difficult, moderately hard to solve, to where the student will have to take quite a bit of time to do it. The second question I will make also moderately hard. The third question, multiple choice. Then on the last question, another moderately hard question on one side of the test. I give the students 30 minutes to do the test, and then I time how long it takes them to get past question 2 or 3. What I am finding universally with 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade students is that they will sit and work problem 1, problem 2, problem 3. Missing problem 1, many of them will miss it. Because in this problem, they must make a stem and leaf plot. Now we all know the FCAT is multiple choice and fill in the grid for 6th grade and 7th grade. But the 8th grade do have short response and extended response. Then they must find the mean, the median of this set of data, or at least one of the columns from the data. The second question, also, they must find the mean and the median of this set of data. Those are multiple choice. Then I use a tally chart where they must also work with data. Relatively difficult questions that are time consuming. After 12 minutes, I tell the students to stop and put their pencils down, and we look at the amount of work that they have done and their correct answers. And then I have the students turn the test over and look at the back. On the back, I will have 6 to 7 questions that are really easy to moderately easy to solve. Most students will spend 10 minutes completing the other side, and they will complete it accurately. Because here you see that I have them solving equations, rounding, working with fractions, and integers. This was, like I said, a 6th grade test. Students did well on the reverse side, and as I said, most were done in 10 minutes. What concerns me is the amount of time that students will spend on these questions. And as I tell them, which is better, to take a 16-question test, miss 15 questions out of the 16, or to skip the ones that are hard, work the ones they can work first, get more right, and then go back and work the problems that they had a hard time with. Students, I've done this with all of my classes, and I am finding this, that most students will not turn the page over and go to the easy problems first. This is one of the reasons that I was asked to do this short video. Now, for you guys that are out there, this gets my students some test-taking strategies. In about 2 weeks before the test, they will have taken about 6 of these tests, all with the different strands: number sense, measurement, geometry, algebraic thinking, and data analysis. I have 2 tests for each one. One that I help them with, and then a retake that they do. I also, just before the FCAT, have them to start working with an actual gridded response type answer sheet that they would see on the FCAT. So they're used to doing gridded response and your bubble in. Now the 8th grade will have a short response and an extended response too. If you would like, this is a commercial, stand by for the commercial. If you would like, come by my room and see me, and I will be glad to share with you this material. If you like it, please use it. I'm more than happy to give it to you. If you don't, okay. But this is just my little contribution today, and all's well with the FCAT. Thank you.